Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're shaking up the typical beauty product review and diving into something a little different, and essential for your daily routine, whether you're a beauty enthusiast or simply want to keep your smile in top shape. I'm talking about the TEETHEORY Rotating Electric Toothbrush for adults. It's got some pretty bold claims, and I'm here to break them down for you. Now, I know what you're thinking. A toothbrush, really? But believe me, this isn't just your regular manual brush. The TEETHEORY Electric Toothbrush promises a superior cleaning experience with its 40,000 vibrations per minute. This means it's cleaning those hard-to-reach areas that manual brushing just can't touch. I'm going to walk you through how it performed in real-world use, its features, and whether it truly lives up to the hype. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review that can help you level up your beauty and hygiene game. So let's get into it. First up, the product overview. The TEETHEORY Rotating Electric Toothbrush is designed with a sleek, ergonomic body that feels great in hand, and it's made to be gentle on the gums, which I really appreciated. It comes with a solid 40,000 vibrations per minute, meaning it offers a more thorough clean compared to traditional and other electric toothbrushes. If you've got sensitive gums like me, don't worry. It has a gentle mode designed specifically for that. One of the standout features is the battery life. You won't have to worry about charging it constantly. On a full charge, it lasts up to 45 days. I'm talking 2 minutes of brushing twice a day. So if you travel a lot or don't want the hassle of frequent charging, this is a game changer. Plus, the fast USB charging is so convenient. Charging it before a trip took me no time at all. The toothbrush comes with 8 DuPont brush heads, which is fantastic value. You're set for over 2 years of replacements. Each head lasts about 3 months, and they even come in different colors, so you can tell them apart. Perfect for families or if you share with your partner. When I first used this brush, I was pleasantly surprised at how gentle it was on my gums, even on the highest mode. I tested all 3 modes, whitening, cleaning, and sensitive, and I'll get into the details of those shortly. But I'll be honest, I did find myself leaning towards the whitening mode, which has the strongest vibrations to break down stains. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros. 1. The powerful 40,000 vibrations per minute deliver a noticeably cleaner mouth, especially when used on the whitening setting. 2. Battery life is a major win here. 45 days of use on a single charge? Perfect for those on the go. 3. Comes with 8 brush heads, so you won't be rushing to buy replacements anytime soon. 4. It's waterproof, meaning you can safely use it in the shower. 5. The 3 modes, whitening, cleaning, and sensitive, really cover all the bases for different needs. Cons. 1. The design, while sleek, can feel a bit bulky for some people. It's not the most compact, especially for smaller hands. 2. I didn't notice an immediate difference in whitening with just one use, so if you're after dramatic results, you'll need to be consistent. 3. While it's great for gentle gum care, it might not feel as scrubby as some manual brushes for those who prefer a more traditional brushing experience. In terms of value for money, I'd say it's solid. This electric toothbrush comes in at a reasonable price for the quality it offers. You're essentially getting over 2 years worth of brush heads and long-lasting battery life for what you'd pay for a high-end manual brush or a single-use electric toothbrush. I also compared it to similar options like the Sonicare models, and while the Sonicare is definitely a premium choice, the TEETHEORY still holds its ground. The price difference makes it a more affordable choice without sacrificing much on performance. As for build quality, the toothbrush is durable with an IPX7 waterproof rating. You can use it in the shower without worry, and it feels like it's built to last, not just something that'll fall apart after a few months. Mid-review time. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, let's talk customer support. I haven't personally needed to contact the brand, but based on other user reviews, they have a good reputation for responding quickly to inquiries. If there are any issues, they seem proactive about resolving them. There haven't been any updates on the product yet, so let's move on to alternatives. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative, there are options like the Oral-B Pro 1000 that might fit the bill, but with fewer features. While the TEETHEORY brush offers more modes and a longer-lasting battery, the Oral-B Pro 1000 still provides a strong clean for a lower price. So my final verdict, the TEETHEORY Rotating Electric Toothbrush offers excellent value for those who want a reliable, gentle, and long-lasting electric toothbrush. It's a solid option for families, especially since it comes with so many replacement heads. However, if you prefer a more compact or premium experience, you might want to look elsewhere. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to upgrade your oral care, I definitely recommend giving this a try. Thank you so much for watching today's review on Beautyistic. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Did it work wonders for your smile too? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.